Right now the switches are working through touch. They don't work on Wi-Fi. I want you to press either one of those two switches for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will see that the light starts blinking now. Go to your eWeLink app, press the plus button, select quick pairing, add one device, enter your Wi-Fi and password, and press next. Your Wi-Fi will start to pair up with the Wi-Fi switches now. As you can see, it's already connecting it. You enter a device name, any name that you want. And it's done. You select it, and now you can see it works from your phone and as well as touch both.